is ano. Pag-abot na lang itong traffic din, no? Traffic dito na. Oh. San Francisco. What's up that? It's a foggy here. Oh, there is a train.
Green.
Huh?
Tulan traffic.
Pula? Oh yeah, it's red. Look at that GPS. San Francisco na. Wala, dagana kayo cab diha. Oh, sana taxi. Ay, dili. Thin Sky. Loose. Oh, look at the traffic. It's so traffic here in San Francisco, California. Oh, it's traffic. Muna yung mga tindahan, mga kuan. Dia palitan lahat yung mga pangbahay. Magawa ka ng bahay, nandyan lahat. Hello, look at the car, it's very nice. Kuan man na siya? Corvette. Explorer. Latest ni sa Explorer. Gamay na lang. Kaya tarapid na kaya exit na dire. Exit na. Oh, it's still exit, Dad. Manta ni. Di ata? O, dire kaya punta. Ching.
Morning sauna. Dito mo kay dito tayo pagi dito. Sama taga ina ito kay daga kay mga traffic lights.
Yeah, but we can see the view. Very nice. The view of the city. Why you did not pass there? I want to see the view there. Like here, that we always can only see the cars, but there you can see the city of San Francisco, California. But I want to go past there. Dad, I want to pass there. Dad, I want to pass there. Here it's very traffic. Look at that. Traffic. It's a traffic here. Watch up, Dad. There is a car stuck behind us.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving.
Yeah.
The route guidance will start now.
Start now. The GPS of the Explorer. It's not waste. Look at that. There is a sunshine over the rainbow. Oh, what a buds. The Tesla is there. The black Tesla. Oh, that's John. That's John. Look at that. That's 72. Dicky. He was the one that there. And Malit and John driving the Tesla. They just got the Tesla today. Tesla. Di man live. It's not live. September, what the date today? 29, 28, 28. Oh, it's a lucky number. It's a lucky number. It's 28. The Tesla today, September 28, 2020. 2024. 24. 29, 30. Today. Wala man yung live. Di mo na live. Storage. Diri sa Amerika. Oh, dyan. Lagay mo yung mga ano dyan. Lahat ng mga hindi mo na ginamit na mga ano. Gamit. Exit to the sa traffic. How could we go? Dili ba traffic dito kay na may kuan na may kanang stoplight.
Ay, ano ka? Lugar kayo.
Pag mag-stop, go na po.
3 minutes ba lang kada traffic?
Ring Central Trust. What's that? Wow. Tanong. Look at the houses. Books in. It's already 5 o'clock. Transfer there. Tapads. What a pads. Lah, tanawang car. Car gibitay. Ito, gibitay ang car.